Ken's vacation has now started. We're 8 days in. We are at Grand Lake by Howley. And he wasn't gone 2 minutes and it started raining a little bit. But this is the water. The wind's really blowing. I'm going to go back up to the van. I think that's where we stayed the last 2 nights.
You're right. The bottom, you fish from the bottom, right?
It's 130 feet. Never fished this way. Let's see how big. Okay.
Fishing grounds are only little underwater eels. Once you come off of the hill, you're off the ground. So everybody.
Okay, he got a fish. We've got another one coming up. Hey, oh, you're
small fish,
good.
but at least it's a fish, right?
Can I get his picture? Fish killer. Smile.
Okay. Okay, get. Oh. Got clear. Okay, we're going somewhere else now, okay?
Oh, is it gone? Here's what we have so far. He's just dropping the line. 130 feet. Oh, he's doing pretty good too. I do. Hang on, hang on.
This is a real big one.
I think the biggest. Woo! It's very deep. Careful. No.
I got the little bit. Small fish, but that's all we can see.
Et après, vous rembobinez.
That makes it easier too. You don't get tangled up, right?
Here's the catch of the day. How many?
That was trout, and the big trout, right?
Oh, yeah.
Showing my trout.
Oh, yeah, you had a nice trout. It's the lighthouse. We're back to shore. Liver, heart.
Heart, yeah.
You said it's still beating. It is.
Yeah, it is.
It's recess. Ken's headed fishing. Hopefully we have food for tonight.